welcome back, folks. Welcome back to episode 5 in a series of 5 St. Patrick's Day cocktail videos. Appreciate you guys sticking around with us. We have a lot of fun doing these. Most of you know that this is kind of like a hobby of ours, and we just enjoy doing it and sharing it with our friends. And if we make some more friends along the way, that's just fantastic. So in that spirit, oh, it's fun. Slane Irish whiskey. So get to know you people you're buying your liquor from in your liquor store, because they have a lot of recommendations. This is one. It's from County Meath. It is triple casked, triple distilled. They use new barrels. They use seasoned bourbon barrels, or used bourbon barrels from probably Kentucky. And then they use Oloroso sherry class. It's a really good tasting Irish whiskey. And this is one I probably would have passed by, but the guy at a local liquor store, the owner, or maybe he works there, I'm not sure, said, you need to try that one, and he was absolutely right. So we're going to make a Tipperary, okay? We're going to use 1.5 ounces of an Irish whiskey, and I like this one. Next, we're going to use 1 ounce of sweet red vermouth. Antica Formula is our favorite, as you know. Lastly, it's kind of a unicorn, Chartreuse. Chartreuse is made by some monks in France. They only make so much per year. It has become very, very difficult to find. Recently, some things have happened where we've got one in a Christmas allocated draw, and it's fantastic. There's nothing else like it. There are some substitutes out there, but they're just not as good. So we're going to use 1/2 ounce. And unfortunately, if you can't find this, it kind of is what makes the cocktail. It's really unfortunate. So, but let's stir it up. And yes, this one we've tried. We had a new bottle of Chartreuse recently, so we found a cocktail, and this is how we found this one, is we were looking for Irish whiskey cocktails that had Green Chartreuse. All right. Oops. How about we add some bitters? 2 good dashes of Angostura bitters. That doesn't hurt to stir it up again. And yes, we're now buying Angostura in the big bottle. It's probably our most used bitter. So many cocktails call for Angostura. Back to the nude glass. It's kind of scandalous. And here we go. Pretty cocktail. Also simple to make. That was one of our, we tried to get cocktails that were easy to make and had most everything that was readily available. Orange is your garnish. We're going to squeeze some of those oils out on top, wipe it around. In she goes. We've had this one before. And it's just as good this time. It's fantastic. The Green Chartreuse makes this cocktail. This is expensive. It's hard to get. I understand it. Maybe at a restaurant, ask for this one. But as we end the series, or could there be a bonus feature coming? Who knows? Cheers, stay safe, and enjoy the Tipperary. Yeah, that's solid as heck.